Then one day, Sunny jumped right out of the nest. But Gizmo struggled. She flapped again and again, unsure if her wings could take her. Sunny never flew far. She kept coming back, waiting for her sister to jump too. And for days, we watched, hoping Gizmo would fledge soon. Oh, Gizmo just moved to the front of the nest. And she's hovering. She slipped. Gizmo just fledged the nest. And just like that, the sky belonged to both of them.